Hello, all the subscribers on my channel and people coming to watch my unboxing, if I can call it unboxing when I'm just getting rid of the plastic around the new deck. But it's a flip through of this Oracle of Ascendance by Philip J. Adamczyk and Sherry Jo Posselt. And I don't know, this is from Amazon, so I don't know why they have put a sticker on it which says C639B2. So let's get rid of that. The US game system. And yes, have I cheated by trying to open it a little bit? Yes, because I keep forgetting to bring scissors or some sharp object to open the plastic. Smooth deck. Nice. Strong box. Oh no. I can feel my heart in my chest, like no dropping. It's like no, not more plastic. Let's get rid of this before we have a look at the guidebook. Every time I see plastic here, I am so terrified of ruining the cards in some way. So we have nice little booklet. Nice little book. It's 106 pages. Quick overview, interpreting the cards and the messages, modify as needed, ancient symbols, chakra symbols, the elemental symbols. So they have the 7 parts of Ascendance. It says the cards of the Oracle of Ascendance are divided into 7 different parts, each explained in further detail in the following sections. So they have the ancient symbols, the chakra symbols, the elemental symbols, the planetary symbols, Reiki and elemental trinity healing symbols, and star symbols and zodiac symbols. You have the card meanings though. So you have the little picture of the card itself and divination meaning. And they are divided into this, the ancient symbols and all this 7 different symbols. Okay, so that was that book. I put that in the box and have a look at the cards, because I know that that's what we've all been waiting for, isn't it? So glossy, flexible, smooth, like silky. Love the little abstract back. Nice colors. Yeah, I cannot fault this, the cardstock. Cardstock is brilliant. Okay. So size-wise, bit bigger than normal sized tarot cards. So here we have the symbols. So Ankh, Caduceus, cross, and I love this more childish drawing, this primitive drawing style. Eye of Horus, Hand of Fatima, Infinity, Om, Sigil of Atlantis, Sigil of Avalon, Tree of Life, Kether, Shakma, Bina, Deborah, Tifereth, Nechak, Hod. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this properly, probably not. Malkuth, Triskel. Then we come to the chakra symbols. And the elements of earth, air, fire, water, spirit. Then we have the planets here: Sun, the Moon, Mercury, Venus, Earth. Yeah, I do like this. You obviously have to check and see how to use this. Use the cards. What spreads they have in the book. Gemini, Cancer. Lovely drawings. Ouroboros in the middle of all. Okay, let's have a look and see what the book actually say about how to use the cards. It says here, traditionally one card is picked at random for the inquirer and addresses the question asked. Oracle decks can also be shuffled by focusing upon the question at hand until the card or cards answering the question fall out. If the cards appear inverted, you may choose to read them according to the inverse meanings or choose to read them without using the inverses. Some cards do not have an inverse. Some cards you cannot use reversals. Each card in the deck contains powerful imagery and symbolism. Modify as needed. It also gives you a positive affirmation or message with each card in whatever the reading or question may be. So different, it says here, ancient symbols, there's 21 ancient symbols, 7 chakra, 5 traditional elemental symbols, 11 alchemical planetary symbols, 6 Reiki symbols, and 3 ETH symbols, 6 star symbols, 13 zodiac symbols. Yeah, so that is what it says. I am quite excited about using this deck. So this is the Oracle of Ascendance by US Games and by Philip J. Adamczyk. And her name is Sherry Jo Posselt. Hope I pronounced that right. Sturdy deck, lovely cards, interesting, like something different. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using it. Bye now. Bye bye.